Hi friends, I hope you're doing well, and here RollUp banner templates pack for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Mostly PSD file and with AI and APS file, but these are protected. You need subscription for access of my all files. Go to sherryskpwd.com and get access for lifetime one-time payment. Okay, and so check the property of these files: 2.21 GB and 232 files. Okay, and these are CMYK color. That's mean these are printable files. You can print in high definition. Okay, 94 MB file. Okay, open in Photoshop. Winter sale. You check here CMYK color for printable. Import your photo and you can customize. Depend your own choice. Okay. Simply these are editable files. Black Friday mega sale, best food, cooking class roll, and creative business banner. These for Adobe Illustrator and one for Adobe Photoshop. Technology solution roll-up banner. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and get subscription for lifetime in just one time payment. Take care. Love it.